Hey guys, Aussie Steve here. We buy houses in any condition in Louisiana. I'm here at a property we're looking to purchase. We're on the west bank of Orleans Parish, really the Aurora area. So the seller had reached out to us. The house is in really bad condition. There's a mortgage on the house, and the house has been vacant for a while. So, if a mortgage company finds out a house is vacant, they winterize the property because they need to protect the asset, because abandoned houses, no one's there to look after them, they deteriorate. So the bank is concerned about their asset, and they'll send someone in to winterize the property, make sure the pipes don't freeze, and to try to protect the asset, and the like. So look, they really need to sell, so reach out to us, and we're looking to buy it. You can see it's in a pretty bad state. There is stuff, I've got to watch my feet here, there's sort of stuff everywhere. I'm sure there's got to be some rats. Yeah, there's droppings. Yeah, I'm sure there's plenty of rats in here. Wow. I'm going to be a little bit careful. I won't do this video too long. But, all this stuff is left. All this trash. So that's okay, because we buy houses like this. You see stuff in all the rooms. So, we're okay with buying a house like this, in as is condition. We just need to clean them out. Don't know if you'll notice in here, got no electricity, but let me turn my flashlight on. Like, this is what they mean by winterized. So they come in and so the pipes don't freeze. And again, it's the bank trying to protect their asset. So, obviously this house is very far from ready to being sold, through a realtor. There's no way a realtor's going to show this. So they really need a cash buyer, an investor, someone like us who's happy to come in and fix the house up and, clear out all this trash. He's going to need a full rehab. And that's okay, because we do that sort of stuff. So, if you've got a house you want to sell, it could be really bad like this. Doesn't need to be as bad. We do buy better houses, but truthfully, if your house is super ready for a homeowner, you should use a realtor. That's going to be the best bet, and get someone using bank finance. But if your house isn't ready for bank finance, for a homeowner to move into it, then calling someone like us direct, a cash buyer, can be a really good option. There's no realtor fees. We're very used to this. We'll buy it in as is condition. No need to clean, fix anything. We'll take over. We'll buy it, pay you cash, go to closing, and then we'll clear it out, we'll fix the house. This is what we do. So if you want more information, visit us at homebuyerlouisiana.com. Give us a call. We're happy to discuss your property or your situation, and have a good one. Thanks so much, guys.